Hi, I'm really excited. I'm going to share with you how I found Builderall and so far what Builderall has done for me in my life and in my business. Actually, I was not introduced to Builderall by anyone. It was personally my effort. I was looking for a way to actually promote my affiliate products. I joined a particular affiliate business called the Super Affiliates Network, and I came to realize that virtually all affiliate businesses, they require you to build a list so you can promote your link or your products to your list. And I also learned that every successful online marketer at one point or the other build a list. So lists are really very crucial in online business. Before I continue, if this is the first time you meeting me, I'm Aweber and I help entrepreneurs to build and scale their business online. Okay. So in the course of searching, I had to sign up for ClickFunnels. I had to sign up for ClickMagick. There were so many other tools or platforms I had to sign up to be able to get to build my list, track my ads, and do so many things. And it really was expensive because ClickFunnels was taking around $99 or so per month. ClickMagick was there, and there are other things I needed to also undertake monthly, which I couldn't afford. So I set off myself to look around and see which other tools are available that I could use. Not just that, I realized that if I am with ClickFunnels, it's different. I have to also sign up for Aweber, where my emails will be collected, which was also another platform. And I needed ClickMagick, which was a tracking to show whether my ads, which people are actually clicking, where I'm losing them, what, a whole lot. So as a newbie or a starter, all this was overwhelming and so expensive. I personally couldn't afford. I signed up for about a month or two. I realized it wasn't sustainable because when you start a business, you don't start making so much, especially if you don't know much about the business. So all you'll be doing is spending more and more. I don't know if you relate to my story, but I know this was really hard when I first started. So I set out to search. Let me search online. I think there would be something out there that can, if not give me all the tools I needed in one place, at least I will get about 2 or 3 of these tools at the same place. Not just that, I also was looking for, after getting all these tools consolidated, how much will I be paying for? Because when I add up my cost with ClickFunnels, Aweber, ClickMagick, and others, I was already hitting around $200 plus every month, which I couldn't actually afford. And so I set out. Now let me show you what I found after setting out to search for the right platform where I could get everything I needed in one place. This was what happened. After scrolling through so many and searching, typing so many keywords on Google, I finally landed on a Builderall platform. I read this: in order to succeed online, your business needs much more than a website. So I paused and I don't know, I started getting excited. Builderall, what is Builderall? It says the most powerful and complete digital marketing and online platform ever created. Wow, could this be true? Could this be the answer to what I was looking for? I started scrolling. I just want you to know, yes, this is the answer, because for 1.5 years now, this has been the tools that I have been using to grow my business as a coach and as a network marketer and affiliate marketing as well. With those two, it's just easy for me not say I will not be an affiliate. So I actually, Builderall Canvas is a funnel builder. Good. I actually did it. Builderall has a funnel builder, and it has a drag and drop website builder, so you can build your own website right on the platform. You can build your own funnels. It has a professional and unlimited email marketing with CRM. The CRM is also there, which is something all those platforms don't have all in one place. Again, it has a webinar application. You can create webinars right from the platform. Wow. Then not just this, it has about 20 more tools that you can actually use. And I'm not saying this to boast or anything. It's true. I am in the platform. I've been using it. I'll soon log in and show you some of the tools that are on the platform. So all these are tools that you can see. If I will leave the link, my own link, so that follow the link, check out the website, and then you can take your own free 14 days trial to see for yourself whether all what I'm saying is actually to hear. Is start your free 7 days free trial. No credit card, nothing of that sort is needed. I will leave my link in the description, as I said. So with that said, I want to log in and show you whether what I'm saying is true. We have about 30 plus tools on the platform. It's amazing. And the price, wow, you just can't imagine. So let me show you quickly. Let me log in and then we are good to go. Okay. Yes, we are good. It's just a matter of some few seconds. It will load because we are dealing with the network. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Okay. Yes, we are here. So this is my back office. As you can see, we have the Cheetah Builder, we have email marketing, we have WordPress. Those of you looking to create your own WordPress site, we have Telegram. I told you we have 30 plus tools. We have Pixel Perfect is also a web builder for website, for sales funnels. We have the Canvas builder. We have an app builder, unlimited magazine builder. If you want to build magazines, it's here for you. E-commerce, those of you in the e-commerce sector, you want to build your own e-commerce shop, this is absolutely for you. And then we have a Builderall directory builder, video tag, mockup studio. The tools are just amazing, and there are so many. Video funnel builder, we have the presentation studio. I'm not going to go into details. There will be other videos. I will certainly be taking you through one after the other, each and every one of the tools on the Builderall platform. It's just incredible. Everything you are looking for is in one place for you, so you can build your own website, you can have your email marketing, you can have your own funnels that are going to be running, you can have your landing pages, you can build your membership sites. So let's see. Okay, so we have the click map, we have SEO on page report app, we have the browser notification app, we have transparent floating videos, e-learning for those creating courses, share locker for those who want to build a lot of viral traffic on their pages. We have the professional messenger, but this is a no-brainer because just I used to use ManyChat. Those of you who know about messenger marketing, ManyChat alone monthly subscription was about half of my subscription on Builderall, and that is huge. Not just me having to build my messenger list, I also have my email list. As I said, I also get to build my website. All this for just few bucks, around $69, less than $70 now. And as I said, you get to test out all these tools for 7 days for free, no credit card. Or if you want to get all the tools, because we have funnels that have been built already, you can get those funnels and everything on the premium plan for just $1. I'll leave the link below. Just sign up with just $1. Just try me out and see if what I say is true. This platform actually changed everything for me in my affiliate marketing business. We have the script generator, social proof, we have the video wrapper, Instagram autoresponder, we have the SMS messaging, we have Builderall webinar builder, we have the virtual assistant, professional emails. Right now, I have my own professional emails, ami@aminatoabaka.com. I also have another one, ami@excelpreneurs.com. And so I get the opportunity to do this right here without having to pay extra for all those things. If you have a website, you can have a professional website, but we have the CRM, as I told you, DNS manager, all your domains right here in one place. Booking, I was paying Acuity Scheduler $15 every month just to get my bookings. Those who were booking for my coaching, I was paying monthly. Now with Builderall bookings, I have canceled my subscription. I get all my bookings done right from this platform. This is amazing. You won't get all this in one place anywhere on earth. You can take my word for that, or you can challenge me by showing me one other platform where you can get all these tools there for just $1 for 30 days trial. Okay, so New Charts Builder is also here. The e-learning is there. The Funnels Club. With this Funnels Club, we have virtually all funnels created in one place. Funnel for photographers who want to build their list. Funnel for a salon, for barbers, for tutors, for anything, virtually meshing them. And with the launch of Builderall 4.0, we are actually going to have about 300 plus different funnels, all for you to use. So if you really want to take me for my word and check me out to see if what I say is true, just click on my link below and sign up with just the $1 trial for 30 days to check everything out for yourself. I also give you one-on-one coaching. We also have a huge membership site done by the #1 affiliate of Builderall himself, who is actually my mentor. So you get the opportunity to learn everything hands down without you having to make all those expensive mistakes other people are making because they don't have mentorship or coaching when they sign up for platforms like this. So don't waste any more time. Click on the link and I will surely get you in the inside. If this is the first time you come into my channel as well, be sure to click on the subscribe button so you get notified of all other trainings I do release every now and then to help you grow and scale your business. With that said, it's a bye-bye.